This video will show you how to use Screencastify to have a video of yourself. You can embed yourself in the corner like this, or you could also just have it on the PowerPoint screen. This might be something you might want to do with your classes. So in Screencastify, the first thing you're going to want to do is set up your account at screencastify.com. You'll also want to install the Chrome extension for Screencastify. You can just search for that at Google, and it will. Here is screencastify.com. This is what that would look like. You would set up your account. It links right to your Google. And then this is the extension that you would want to add on. Once you've loaded that extension and you're ready to make a video like this, to begin recording, once you've loaded Screencastify and installed that Google Chrome extension, at the top of your toolbar, you will see this icon. That is the Screencastify icon. You would click right on there. And then this window toolbar pops up. You would want to begin your recording by selecting whether you're showing your whole desktop, just a browser tab. Make sure your microphone works. And if you want the little video of yourself in the corner, like me here, you would click Embed Webcam. If you don't want yourself, you want just your voice leading them through the PowerPoint, you would unselect Embed Webcam. Then you would click Record there to begin recording. Once you've finished recording, you'll get a screen that looks like this, and then you can quickly over here either publish it to YouTube, or you can save it in your Google Drive and quickly share it to your Google Classroom, and students could then watch your video. I hope this helps. Let me know if you need any other tips.